Hi children, hello, good morning to everybody. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Tots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for first class students. Children, already we completed 8 lessons in our textbook. Day before yesterday I told something about Gandhiji. Have you learnt carefully? Have you listened carefully children? Have you asked any doubts from your parents to your parents? Did they say anything to you about Gandhiji? I gave homework to you. Draw the picture or paste the picture of Gandhiji and write 2 lines about him. Did you complete that homework, children? Did you complete? Complete the homework, whatever I am giving every day. Okay. Already we learned lesson number 8, my classroom. My classroom. We completed the lesson. What is the meaning of classroom? Who will be in classroom? And what are the things in the classroom? Now I am going to explain bits and parts activities. What can we do in this lesson? What can we do in this lesson? Okay, shall we start? I'll ask you 5 sentences. Say, is that good habit or bad habit? Good habit or bad habit? See, look at this. This is the classroom. This is the classroom. Who are in classroom? Teacher is there and students are there. Teacher is there and students are there. Teacher is teaching something on the blackboard. This is called blackboard. She is teaching with a piece of chalk or a marker. Where did students sit? They sat on benches and they have desks to keep their books. I'll ask you 4 sentences and tell me, are they right or wrong? Are they good habits or bad habits? Listen to your teacher's words carefully. Is this good or bad? Good only. Correct. And write on the walls with your pen or pencil. Write on the classroom walls. Is this correct thing? No. This is not correct thing. Okay. And make a loud noise. Shout in the class. Is this correct thing? No. This is not correct thing. Sit silently in your class. Maintain discipline in your class. Okay. And throw waste in the dustbin. Will you throw waste in the dustbin or will you pour down? Will you put down on the floor? What is the correct habit? What is the good habit? Good manner. Throw dust in the dustbin. Throw waste papers in the dustbin. Keep your classroom clean because the classroom is your second home. So you have to keep your classroom clean. Okay. Now all of you take out your homework notebooks and write lesson number 8, my classroom. See, look at the first blank. The teacher writes. The teacher writes on the. Where does she write? You write the answer. You write the answer and keep full stop. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Second one, we throw waste in the, just you copy in your homework. We throw waste papers in the, where do we throw? We throw in the dustbin. The teacher keeps things in the, where does she keep? She keeps in the cupboard. Okay, look at this. What is this picture? This is a table and chair. What is this picture? Dustbin. What is this picture? Board. Display board or board. Okay, these are the 3 things in the classroom. Okay, see, the teacher writes on the blackboard. We throw papers in the dustbin. The teacher keeps things in the cupboard. Write these 3 in your homework notebook. And next one, do this matching, children. What is this matching? First one, pen. Second one, table. Third one, chalk. And fourth one, bench. and fifth one teacher, teacher. Okay, just you match it. First one board, second one students, third one dusk, desk, fourth one chair, fifth one pencil, fifth one pencil. Do this matching, children. Just write in your homework notebook and do this matching. Pen and you select which word is correct and you draw the line. I am giving one example. Pen and pencil, pen and pencil, table and chalk and bench and teacher and you write like that. Okay. And see, pen and pencil, table, chalk, bench, teacher, you write like that, children. You copy in your homework notebook. Copy in your homework notebook. Okay. After completing this, you take the next exercise. What is that? I give you 4 things. What are the 4 things? This is the pencil. Pencil. Will you use pencil in your classroom? Yes or no? Put right or wrong. If you use in your classroom, you put tick mark. If you won't use in your classroom, you put into mark. Okay. Second one, dustbin. Third one, paper. Okay. Next, fourth one, ball. Will you use ball in your classroom? Put tick or into. Okay. Next one, table. Next one, chair. Look at these things and you keep into or tick mark. What are the things used by you in your classroom? Just identify them. Next one. This is the third exercise. And look at the fourth exercise. You draw a box in your homework notebook and draw the picture or paste the picture of classroom in this box. Classroom picture. You can cut from your old textbooks or you can cut from your any old newspapers. Paste the picture and write 2 lines about your classroom. At least 2 lines. You are small kids. You came from UKG now only. So you can't write so many sentences. Write at least 2 lines about this picture. You paste the picture of classroom and write 2 lines. Okay. Next one. I already told you what are the classroom manners. Good manners which should be followed by you in your classroom. What is the first one? Don't make loud noise. Listen to your teachers carefully. Please keep your waste papers in the dustbin. Don't throw on the floor. And don't quarrel with your classmates. These are the good manners which should be followed by you in your classroom. Day after tomorrow, you write good manners which should be followed by you on a paper. Okay, children? So, these are the homeworks for you. You follow it and take your parents' help and write in your homework book neatly. And day after tomorrow, I will ask you if you done or not. Okay? Bye, children. Bye.